And the chip that I found in that other machine, it's hard to read, but I know, and I'll hold it here, see if you can see it. At the beginning, in the top, it says BAT. Anyway, it's a batteries included paperclip chip. And I don't believe that that is going to make a vast difference in this machine working or not working. I don't believe so. But now, it's funny, as I look over here, I'm trying to think, just which socket did I pull that out of? Oh, dear, 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 dear. Anyway, I don't know what a 901.465-03 is. But I'm thinking, as I look around here, I should try and find the version. I mean, these boards look the same. They absolutely do. But where is the magic thing that says what version they are? That is an excellent question. But I don't want to put this chip in the back in the wrong spot. I do not. How could I have forgotten? I think it was this one. I'm pretty sure it was. Anyway, I have not plugged in the BBBBS PET yet, because I'm sure that this chip is missing. And I wish I had a machine with more things and sockets that I could check and see what's what. But I'm just looking to see again, where is, I should know this, and I probably do know this, where is the version of the board? I know they were small. I'm looking down the right side and brushing off the dust, but I don't see anything. Oh wait, what's that? That could be it. But I can't make it out. Oh yeah, that's it. Alright, so it's right here. Right there. But I can't see it because it's so far in there. So you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to turn this around. I have the other camera I can't use at the moment. And I'm going to, on this other tripod-y thing, stick it in here. Sorry, we can't see that. But look, it's like a close-up vision of the world. Just a second here. Wow, that is tough. Maybe I will do the photo thing. And I will tell it to zoom in as much as it can here. Look at this cool thing. There we go. We're going deep. And I will tap on it so it will hopefully put it in focus. And I will push on it a couple of times. And I will pull it out. And I will see that it says Commodore. Copyright. I think it's 1978. Alright. Well, now that we got that, I'll go and look at the other one. I shall Give me a second here. Boy, it is really, even though I've cleaned off the board, it's really tough to see. Yeah, I think they are the same. Well, I should have taken a picture too to make sure I know which socket. But you know, in looking here, I'm just going to look into, I got this. Okay. Looking at the level of dust. I'm sure it's not the end socket, it's the other one. So, I'm going to be brave and put this back in. And if I'm doing it wrong, but well, right now I can see I've got it lined up well. I've got to get it lined up just so. Okay, come on. Why is it not lining up? Well, you should take a little bit of a, there we go. I will put it in. The witness mark's okay. I'll turn it on and it will come up and it will be fine. It will be just dandy. So I am suspecting that this machine in front of me, right here, might be a very good candidate to turn into the test thing. In other words, start taking sockets, or taking chips out and putting sockets in one at a time and testing and making sure I don't do any harm. I am thinking that. We'll see. Anyway, I would like to think that I can figure out more about this BBS PET. Certainly, I'm pretty sure that, like, okay, in the BBS PET, this chip is missing. That one's here, that one's here, that one's here. There's nothing here. I bet you this and this are supposed to have things, and they don't. And this is an accessory thing, and this is an accessory thing, and this is something else. I think. By the way, don't do that when the machine is on. Not that I would ever do that, but I just did that. Anyway, it's all fine. It's all good. It's still working. I'm going to put this paper clip chip back from where it came in this PET. At least I think I am. Oh, it's giving me grief. It's one of those times, sometimes you need the glasses, sometimes you don't. Okay, the one side is lined up nicely. I give a little bit of pressure on the other side. Okay, it's back in. Alright. So, I guess at the moment, because I've got to look for other machines that might have things in sockets, that's about all I can do. Oh well. I now have, out of all these, I definitely have one small screen 9-inch machine to test things on after I do some unsoldering. And I have the Fat 4032. So it's coming along. Anyway. It is endless. So thanks so much for being here. If you see anything that I'm doing that's absolutely wrong or silly or stupid, do let me know. Until we meet again. Bye for now.